Welcome back to cooking every single recipe in the official 5 Nights at Freddy's cookbook. Today we're making Fazcade pulled pork quesadillas. Don't forget to subscribe and vote for what I make next in the comments below. To start this recipe off, you're going to want to make the pulled pork, but I didn't record myself doing that because I did it a little earlier, so if you want to figure out how to do that, just watch one of my first 2 pulled pork videos. And now that you're done with that, you're going to want to cut up half a red bell pepper, finely slice a pickled jalapeno, or you can just buy pre-sliced ones. Cut up 10 grams of cilantro or coriander, shred about a cup of cheese, and then you want to use about half a cup of Foxy's pulled pork. To assemble these quesadillas, you want to spread refried beans onto 2 tortillas. Then add the cheese, the pulled pork, all the toppings, another layer of cheese, and the other tortilla on top. And then you want to fry it. You just want to put it in a non-stick frying pan until the sides are like golden brown. These were really good. Frying pan got a little violent with them, but still very, very, very tasty. I wish they would have stayed together a little better, and I wish the pulled pork wasn't didn't make the tortillas as soggy as some of them were, but it tastes delicious. 8 out of 10.